Welcome. If you've ever needed to share a message quickly in Chat Messenger, you're in the right place. Today, we're walking through the updated steps to forward messages so you can pass along important info without any hassle. First, open the Messenger app on your device. It's the familiar blue icon, usually found on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once you're in, locate the conversation that contains the message you want to share. Tap on that chat to open the full thread. Next, find the exact message you want to forward. Press and hold on that message for a moment. You'll see a few options pop up, and one of them will be More. Tap More to reveal additional actions related to the selected message. From the menu that appears, choose Forward. This action grabs the message so you can send it to someone else. After you select Forward, Messenger will present you with your contact list. You'll see a search bar at the top. Use it to quickly find the person or people you want to share the message with. You can type a name, a group, or even scroll through your list. When the intended recipient appears, tap their name to select them. If you want to forward the message to more than one person at once, you can repeat the selection process for additional contacts. Once you've picked everyone you want to forward to, look for the Sendee button next to the recipients. Tap Send to complete the action. A quick tip: if you're forwarding a message that contains media or multiple messages in a row, double check that everything you intend to share is included in the forward view. This helps avoid sending extra chatter or private notes by accident. If you ever change your mind mid-process, you can tap back or cancel to start over. That's all there is to it. Forwarding messages is designed to be straightforward so you can pass along information, references, or confirmations with minimal